Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Canopies 4x4 back here again. What do we got? A quick little video going through a few little bits and pieces. We've got an MR Triton in here today. It's going to get a tub liner fitted. It's going to get some of our off-road Fender flare fitted as well. And on top of that, we're going to get some weather shields as well. So it should be a pretty straightforward install. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoy the install and fit of the tub liner, the flares, and also the weather shields. We'll go through each of them very, very quickly. You can see the tub liner is very straightforward. One piece for the tailgate, one piece for the tub. Cleaned up the inside of this tub, which was an absolute mess when it came in here. Come around, have a look over here on our flares. You can see OEM quality fit and finish. Use the OEM fitting points to make sure that it actually fits correctly. So if you're tired of ill-fitting Chinese flares, give Oz Canopies a call at 02 962 78666, and also that follows along with our weather shields as well. Very, very premium OEM fit and finish. If you want to grab them for this MQ MR Triton, sorry, I should say MR Triton, well, they suit the MQ as well. ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. We've got them available for all bunch of the dual cab utes as well. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.